looks like we hit our first major obstacle. What trail are we on?
This is, well, got it this time.
Yeah, nailed it.
Nailed it. This is called the mainline hardest. I've done the mainline harder, and I've never been here, so we wanted to check it out and see what it's like.
This looks like a pretty nasty rock section, so you haven't done this one yet?
No, I've not done any of this trail yet, so
Sweet.
It's new for me as well.
Me neither. We'll see how we do. The goal today is simple. We're gonna head to Reiter, we're gonna have a good time, we're gonna try some trails that we haven't done before, and we're gonna enjoy the challenges that have been brought forth by the last week and a half of straight rain in this area.
Might sound strange, but I'd give my life for you. Nothing's changed, I just ran away from the truth. One of us makes a mistake, we work our way through the heartache, and then we're back where we started. We've gone full circle again, but that's what we do. That's just what we do.
The route that we chose to take us to mainline hardest went through mainline easy and a little bit of mainline hard. These two sections of trail weren't very difficult, but with the water it made it fun. And the folks that build these trails and maintain this park are meatheads like us. They like hard trails. So I know that if they named a trail mainline hardest, we had a lot of fun in store. Uh-oh. What happened, Kelly?
Well, I got a little bouncy up at the top, and it kind of put me over this rock, and now I'm stuck on my diff. So.
And you have a rock home now.
Yes.
Oh! I made that look like nothing. Oh man.
That's fine.
It's like where you were before, but over here now.
Yeah, that's funny. It's funny how that happened.
Ooh, that's leany. That's better.
All my bones are dislocated, I just keep on wandering along.
sounds like a rod.
Goes away when you're ready.
In the tranny? That's a metal on metal sound no matter what it is. Oh! It's an interesting chatter.
Just pull the inspection cover.
Right. We pulling the cover? Let's do it.
So, which ones were loose?
The converter to the flywheel.
The converter to flywheel's loose? Dang. Good thing we heard that.
Yes. Yeah, dude, that was the first thing I said was...
So is there any play if you pry behind the flywheel? Is there anything on the crankshaft bolts?
I couldn't tell you. That's how we had to get it to... Yeah, it looked good.
It looks good. It looked like it was torqued to spec.
I did torque those, I promise. Not the converter, but the flywheel bolt.
So if we hear a rod knock again, what's plan B?
Drive it.
Oh yeah! Sounds money, dude. Sounds money.
With the difficult section of this trail behind us, we decided to go back to our trucks and have a little bit of lunch. Then we're going to move up to one of my personal favorites, Beam Me Up Spotty. Apparently there's a lower section I didn't know about, so I was really excited to go and give that a shot.
Oh, Beam Me Up Spotty. I love you so much.
Somehow crawled his tire up on that.
Got uncomfortably close.
Kelly ran this line somehow. Yeah.
Driver.
Yep.
Gotta go hard, driver?
Yeah.
Right here's probably the spot.
Yeah, then he slid down into it, came over this way and hooked down to the ground.
Five-wheel drive, baby. The old God Rock. One day I will do this. I'll try it anyway.
What do you do when you get up? Go down on the side.
I'll probably get this shot.
Damn. So once you get...
Yeah, where do you go down?
Right here.
I don't like that. I don't like that one bit.
All of us want to try God Rock one day, but today is definitely not that day. This is a serious obstacle. This is made for buggies, and today it is too wet, it is too cold, there is no chance we could make it up to the top. So we decided to go around it, and that didn't prove to be much easier.
Wow, that's the worst bent slider I've ever seen.
These giant rocks are placed in a way that is unforgiving, and this proved to need a lot of winching in order to make it through the remainder of this chunk of the trail.
You're ruining the shot, Donnie, with your struggling.
This strap I should probably talk about because it is a sponsored product. Yankum Ropes, like, they really enjoy our channel and they send us product like long straps. This is a newer product actually. They didn't have straps until recently. 100% made in America, very high quality. So if you're in the market, click our link in the description of all of our videos. It'll say Yankum Ropes link, and you can go check these out. trail ain't all that bad. It's nothing.
Cable on a little more.
Easy.
Easy.
Well, what do you think about that little spot there, Nate?
Well,
Bump it. Okay.
I don't want to talk too much trash until I find out if my rig's broken. So
True.
far, no clinks or pops. But,
So far.
You know, that's one of the things that I love about Reiter. I love the fact that there's all these spots where you can lose a few hours just going 1,000 feet, and that's one of my favorite things about that. That would probably drive a lot of people nuts, but to me, I think that it's a great reason to come here and really push your rig and find out. Oh, get reminded and humbled, I guess. That's right. This isn't a buggy. This is a Jeep that was made to go on highways.
With 42-inch tires and almost 500 horsepower, Kapps definitely had the best chance of making it through these series of obstacles unassisted. But even with a rig as well built as his, he still needed a little help.
You need to go driver, Cap. Drivers meeting. I'm sure everyone's having to text their wife and tell them, hey, we're still here.
Yeah, she's already texting me, so
Yeah.
texting her. We'll be late, but
So
it's fine.
that way,
This is
this will get us back to the trucks in like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. And that way is the rest of the trail. And to me, this is much easier than what we just did.
still gonna be a lot of winching, but
Really?
yeah,
There's only one spot I've ever had to pull cable there.
for me.
Except for, I guess,
Except for the time I had to pull you up.
the very end. The very end.
Oh yeah.
We'll all have to winch that. What do you guys think? Do you want to keep wheeling?
How long do you think? A couple more hours?
Yeah, tops. I mean, it's going to be dry now because it's been sun on it all day.
I'm good.
I want to keep going.
Yeah.
You guys want to
We're
keep
here,
going?
we're doing it.
I know, because that's the thing. We're not going to be back here until next spring, probably,
I got the
realistically.
timeline. Hey, just-
My kids will be in bed by the time I get home right now anyway.
You are an impressive group of people. You know, I have a lot of friends that try to get out of fun.
Yeah.
Look at you, trying to get into it.
Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na, gonna take my time. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na, gonna take my time. Do dee dee dee, do dee da, ba da do da 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 da. Dee dee bom dee. Do da da da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na. I'm gonna take my time. Well, I'm a rolling slow these days. I'm gonna take my time. Everybody moving oh so fast. Well, you can watch them rolling down the streets. They nasty. They heading home and they don't know why. They in such a hurry and they miss the sky. They ought to look around. It's true. Na 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 na. Well, it seems like this world is a hurting. Everybody is a rushing and cursing. They can't find their hearts' stillness. They lost inside their cell phones. We find it hard, but you know it's true. Na na na, gotta take our time. It's true. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na na na, gonna take my time. Na 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 na. Na 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 na, when I'm rolling on a thin dime. But I got the blue skies and I feel in the rain, and I ain't gonna hurt from this world of a pain.
What a crazy day that was. That was the most winching I have ever done. What about you, Kelly?
Yeah, in one day for sure.
Yeah.
Because we did a lot of trails today.
Cap, I'm sure, same with you. I mean, we're all very well-built rigs. We all have a lot of driving experience, but we came up here for this. We knew it was a lot of rain. We have huge rocks. We were anticipating a lot of winching, and we all had a great time. We're definitely very tired. It was a technical day, and as you can see, the sun is going down, so we gotta go. If you enjoyed the video, give it 2 thumbs up. No, 2 thumbs up would be a thumbs down. Give it 1 thumb up and subscribe. If you want to help support the Dirt Lifestyle, you can go to thedirtlifestyle.com. We have t-shirts, hats, neck gaiters, stickers, all that stuff. And if you want to follow me on social media, I'm at Dirt Lifestyle Nate. We'll see you next time.